Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a massive Primark haul. Sometimes you've just got to treat yourself and it's one of them days. I got paid yesterday, so I've literally bought way too much. I spent too much, but I don't really care. So yeah, if you want to see what I've bought, I've got two big bags full here. I've got like a bit of everything. I've got a bit of clothing, a bit of, I think I got home, I can't remember. I got a bit of skincare, bit of makeup, bit of beauty, hair care, bit of everything. Me and my friend Megan went shopping today together in Primark, and she's also doing a Primark haul on her channel, so go check hers out as well. It'll be in the description down below. Go and see her video and see what she bought as well. So we got kind of similar stuff, but she got a bit less than me, but she got more like cosmetics and skincare rather than clothing. So if you're interested in seeing that, then definitely go check out her video as well. And she's going to be disappointed because we got Starbucks, the pink ones, the flamingo ones that we've never had before. It looked cute, so we were meant to be using them in the video, but I liked mine so much I drank it before the video. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's get on with the video. So let's just get straight into it. Do you ever go shopping and not remember a thing you've bought? Because I cannot remember a thing I've bought. So this is also exciting for me because I love to go through it and be like, oh, look at that. So let's just go through it. So let's go with this bag first, I think. This is the emptier bag. We're really ripping the bag and I'm not sure why I'm doing that, but it's easier. Right, so first we've got some essentials. Makeup wipes. I've got a whole drawer of makeup wipes. I love these. These are the cool as cucumber ones. I just think these are really refreshing. I've tried a lot of their different ones because I know there's all different colours and stuff, but these are just my favourite that they have. They just smell really nice. They feel really fresh. So yeah, I've just got some of these. I usually use these when I'm doing makeup looks because I use so many at a time that these are just cheap and cheerful. So we've got some of them. The next we've got some accessories. So we've got these little hair clips. These were £3. And we've got like two just simple gold ones, and then we've got two like diamondy ones. In my last Primark haul I did get some like these, but they were bigger and I wasn't really a fan of like the bigger clips, so I got these ones which are a little bit smaller. And when I wear like my hair, this is natural now. I'm trying, if you've noticed in my videos, I've got much more curly hair than before. I used to straighten it all the time, but I don't dry or straighten it anymore at the moment anyway, while we're in lockdown still. So I've just left it how it is, and sometimes I just like to clip that back, making it look a little bit nicer. So yeah, got some clips. These were £3 for the 4 of them, which I think is really good. Another little essential, which is kind of boring, but everybody needs them, just some more hair bands. You know, I run out all the time. No one knows where they go. They just disappear. So I had to get some more of these. These were only £1. And I get the black ones. Some more jewellery. I just got these earrings here. I just thought they were cute. They were only £2. I have no idea where I would wear them, but like I said in my last Primark haul as well, I will link it up if you haven't seen that one already, to see what I got before. That was a much smaller haul of just a couple of accessories and stuff that I bought there. But these are just some little dangly earrings. These are gold. I like to get a variation of gold and silver because like what I'm wearing now is silver, but I've got 3 earrings in, so I usually wear silver. So on a day-to-day I'd get silver ones, but for makeup looks and stuff like that I'd wear some gold ones. So I got these ones which I thought were cute, especially for £2. I've got some more somewhere, but I have no idea where they would be in this bag. So next I got some Carmex Cherry Lip Balm, just because I needed some new lip balm. I've got some lying around the house everywhere, but I just wanted to try this one. So, and I don't know how much that was. I think it was like £2 or something. Right, what have we got next? Right, this so random, but they've just packed it stupidly. So next we've got home. So we've got this candle. I thought it was cute. This was only £1.50. It's called Madagascar Vanilla and it smells so nice. But I just thought, oh, I didn't remember that smelling so good. It's just like, I thought it was kind of a cute packaging as well, so it would look nice on my new like, what's it called? Like cabinet thing. We've got a new one in the front room and it's all like kind of black and white theme, so this will look really cute there. And it smells good, so that's nice. And plus I can't get enough of candles these days. I got some scrunchies. Wasn't really a fan of many of the scrunchies that they had. I've already got 2 packs from there, so I didn't really need any more, but I got some more because that's what you do. These were £2 and they're just like black and white stripy ones, and we've got this pink one in the middle here. But I noticed from using them previously, I much prefer the silky ones to the like fabricy ones, or the like velvety kind of feeling textured ones. These are silky, so these feel really nice, and I just find they stretch a little bit better in my hair and stuff, so I got these. I don't know if I said, but they're £2. We got some underwear because these are just in the way right now. So I've got these in a red already, and I just really like them. So it's like this bralette kind of thing, and the bottoms to go with it. This was only £5 for both, which is so cheap. And I just think it looks really pretty, and the other one I really liked what I have at home, so I just thought I would get another one. And I got a white one as well, but I don't know where that is right now. I think it must be in the other bag. So we got a bunch of face masks. I went a bit mental on face masks, and I've literally just got home. I bought a load of face masks, and then I had a PR package with like 10 face masks, so I was like, I really didn't need to buy all them. But it's okay, you can't get enough of them. So I got this one here. This is Deep Cleansing Pineapple Cream Mask, which I think will be nice. I love the smell of pineapple. I got this one, which is a Hydrating Coconut Cream Mask, which I love the smell of coconut too. So I thought I'd try them because they were only 80p each. I think all of these are 80p each as well. This is why I went and got quite a lot of them. So I've got 2 of these ones. This is the Purifying Tea Tree Sheet Mask. I love sheet masks because they're just so much easier than like a cream or a clay mask, because you don't have to go wash them off or anything. You can kind of just peel it off and rub it into your skin. But these are purifying, and I really like the smell of tea tree. I got this one, which is a Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid sheet mask. Got this one, I think would be really nice. This one is a Prep and Perfect Hydrating Priming Sheet Mask. I kind of wish I got a few more of these so I can wear them before my makeup. But again, 80p, so bargain. And this one was another Prep and Perfect, but this is the Illuminating Priming Sheet Mask. So I'm really excited to try them, and I might do a little video over on my Instagram if you want to go and follow me. It's in the description below, and I will probably be doing a few tutorials on some of these masks. So I got a bunch of them, which I'm excited about. Next I got pyjamas. So these are so cute. I don't know if anyone else agrees, but I love them anyway. I love Pinocchio, and it's like these. The thing is, in Primark, with their pyjama sets, they always have shorts, and then they have like a strappy vest top, which I just don't like them. I don't think they're very flattering, and I just don't like them. So I got this one, which is like a t-shirt, and then it's got the shorts here as well. I think they're so cute. I might try these all on after and put in some clips of me wearing them, just so you can see what they look like. This was £9, which I thought was good for a pyjama set. I kind of wish I got another one. There was like a few other ones as well. I kind of wish I got some more, but I spent enough. So that's that bag gone. That was the emptier bag. So here we've got this big bag. So this is more clothing, I think. So we've got this belt here. From moving house, I moved house a lot at one stage, and I've just ended up losing every single belt I own. So I just got this one. I think this was £2. Yeah, and it's literally just a simple black belt with the gold buckle on it, but I just needed one for if I need one, basically. So we got that one. Here's the other earrings that I bought. These were also £2, and these are just like circle with triangle. I've been meaning to get some like this for a while, because I think they're really pretty. Oh, this one's turned around like that. I think these are really pretty, and these are, yeah, just £2, so I think that's a bargain. And I think they look nice. I got this as well, and I was like, I'm in an RM because this doesn't feel like the best quality, but I think it's really cute, so I got it. It's this light pink water bottle with the daisies on it. I love daisies because it was my grandma's favourite flower, and when she died they were at a funeral as well, so whenever I see daisies it reminds me of her, so I thought I'd get this. I think it's really cute, and also I'm starting a diet tomorrow, so I'm going to be needing to drink a lot more water, and this will help me drink water. Sounds strange, but I just never remember to drink it if it's from a glass, but if it's from a bottle I'll just carry my bottle around everywhere with me. So next is mainly clothing, so here we go. We got some bags, I'll tell you that. So ignore the sizing, because basically You can't try clothes on at the moment in Primark, obviously, because of social distancing and all of that. So I got sizes all bigger for me so that I knew they would fit, and if not, I can just go take them back and change them. So the sizing is completely guessed. But also with t-shirts, I got mainly t-shirts, and t-shirts are all, I always wear a large or an extra large, just because, like this top, I mean, this obviously isn't a fit, it's so big for me, but I can wear it as a dress. I wore it on as a dress for a night out, so I like to just have baggy tops. They make me feel more comfortable. So this t-shirt was, again, it's got a daisy on it to remind me of my grandma, and it just says Daisy down here. It's just a plain black t-shirt with the daisy on it, and this was £2.50, so I thought, why not? And I got it in an extra large. That's the only thing I got in an extra large. I don't know if it's going to be too big, but if it is, I'll just wear it as pyjamas. So it's only a t-shirt. The next one is this, again, just a printed t-shirt. Basically it says stress doesn't really go with my outfit, and it looks like this, and I think I got this in a large, yeah, because that's 14, 16. I'm not a 14, I'm like a size 12, but the bigger the better, I think. I just don't like it tight on me. I just feel like, ooh, just let me relax, especially while we've been social distancing. I've been in such baggy clothes that I'm kind of used to it now. Oh, and that t-shirt was also £2.50, so bargain. These are my other pyjamas. I was like, why have I got such a bright t-shirt? These are my other pyjamas. I thought they were cute. Other people may not agree, but I think they're cute. So these were £6, and look. Cute. You've got the girls that are like all dressed up like nice for their man and that, and then I just come out with one of these bad boys. But I think it's cute. And in my last haul you would have seen that I bought a piglet one, and I also have a Dumbo one, so it just adds to the collection. I love them, and at the minute while I'm working from home and everything, I'm constantly in pyjamas, so you can always have a top up, you know. So these are the other underwear set that I told you about. So I've got the red lace one, and I have now the blue one as well, and we've got this one as well. So again, they're just really comfortable, and £5, so I thought might as well get a few more colours. Oh, we had to get the standard, everyone knows you've got to get these cotton pads, you know, 50p, bargain. Here's another, this is for my boyfriend, so I bought him 2 little presents, even though it was literally his birthday last week. But I just like to treat him when I go out. I feel bad for buying all this stuff for myself, so I like to get him some stuff if I see it. He likes Dragon Ball Z, so I just got him this Dragon Ball Z t-shirt. Again, I got it in a large, just because it's going to be comfier, and he streams and stuff, so I thought some little graphic t-shirts would be nice just for him to stream in. So I got him that one. I got him another one as well, but I don't know where that is. So I got myself, oh yeah, I wasn't sure about this. I need to try this on. This is £8. I got it in a medium. It's just like this t-shirt with, like, you know, this little flowy bit at the bottom. This is the t-shirt. I think it's pretty cute. I just needed some t-shirts basically to go with some jeans and stuff. Oh, and that one is, did I say the price? £8 if I didn't. I think this one's my other one for my boyfriend. Oh no, this was mine as well. This one is £4. Again, I got this in a large, and it's just a t-shirt that says cool to be kind. Just a standard white t-shirt. Nothing really special going on there. I've got more t-shirts than I thought. Oh, I got this one for my boyfriend as well. This one was quite expensive. This was £12, but I didn't mind. It's this Mandalorian little Baby Yoda Star Wars t-shirt, because I know you like that. So I'm a good girlfriend. Next is this t-shirt. This is £5. Gratitude is my attitude. Lovely. But it just seems like a t-shirt with a bit of a longer sleeve. I like it when they're oversized and they come all the way down here. So this one seemed more like that. So I like this one, and I like the colour. I haven't got any t-shirts in this kind of colour. So bit different. Then we got some shorts now, because I'm growing outwards, not height. None of my shorts or anything fit me now, so we went on holiday in October and now nothing fits me, so that's nice. So I had to go for the 14, which I've never been a 14, so very disappointed in myself, but don't worry about it. We got some shorts. just some standard denim shorts because I don't fit into any right now. And I thought if these fit, which I doubt they will because I'm fat, they would look cute with some of the t-shirts that I've bought. So, and these were £12, which isn't too bad for shorts. And then I was umming and ahhing getting the black ones of that as well, but instead I got a black denim skirt. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this. It's literally just a standard black skirt, but you know, some of them go out at the bottom and that does my head, and I like it to just be all nice and tight. This one was £10, so I thought that was quite good, but I didn't get a 14 in this. I don't know why I got a 12, because it just looks a bit bigger. So, and this is a high waist skirt, so we flew through this. Well done, guys. So this is another top. So it's £6. It's a medium. And it just looks like this. Now, oh god, it is really long, and you may not think that's very cute, but I'm liking this colour lately, this like little khaki green. And also, I had, from my last haul I think it was, I got a t-shirt, and it was like, kind of like this, but it was beige, and I literally wear it all the time. It's the comfiest thing. It's like a really nice thin material, and it is long sleeved, and you can just wear leggings with it, and it's kind of like a dress, or you can wear it with jeans tucked in. So I really like this. And what, how much did I say? £6. So I like outfits like this, and it's hard to find fabrics and outfits that like kind of drop like that. No, what, how would you say that? Fit like that? You know what I mean. Last thing, last one, flip-flops. I don't know why I got them. I don't know why I got them, but I don't know. They were 90p, so why not? Why wouldn't you get flip-flops from Primark for 90p? You might need them one day, you know. I always wear my slides, so switch it up, get some floppers on. And that is it, guys. That is my haul. Like my little collection. Is that everything? Oh, I want more. But that's it. I mean, to me that's huge. I don't know if it's huge to you, but it is to me. I mean, I spent a lot of money. And then I spent so much that it locked my bank account, because my bank was like, hold on, this doesn't happen very often. So now my bank account's locked as well. That is everything. So if you enjoyed this haul, please give the video a like, comment, subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications for when I upload new videos in the future. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my Primark hauls, please let me know in the comments down below. My last one seemed to do quite well, so I assumed you like it. But that one was just a small one, so I thought I'd bring a bigger one and treat myself at the same time. So I hope you liked it, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.